In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove layers in DaVinci Resolve. If you're cleaning up your timeline and want to get rid of a layer, or what DaVinci Resolve usually calls a track, the process is very simple. This can be useful if you have extra video or audio tracks that you no longer need, and removing them can help keep your project more organized and easier to work with. To begin, go to your timeline. This is the main area where all of your clips are arranged for editing. Inside the timeline, you'll be able to see your different layers, or tracks, laid out clearly. In most cases, these will include video tracks and audio tracks. Video tracks are usually stacked toward the upper section of the timeline, while audio tracks appear below. Each track acts like its own layer, giving you space to separate different pieces of media. Once you've found the track you want to remove, move your cursor over to the left side of that track area, or directly onto the track section in the timeline where you can identify it. Make sure you're selecting the correct one before deleting it, especially if your project contains multiple layers. Taking a second to confirm this can save you from removing something you still need. Next, right-click on the track you want to remove. This will open a context menu with several options related to that track. From that menu, click Delete Track. As soon as you do that, the selected track will be removed from your timeline. And that's it. That's all you need to do to remove a layer in DaVinci Resolve. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that video and audio tracks are separate, so be sure you're deleting the right type of track depending on what you want to clean up. If your timeline has become crowded, removing unused tracks is a quick way to make your editing workspace feel much more manageable. Also, it's always a good idea to double-check your timeline before deleting anything, just to make sure the track is truly no longer needed. A more organized timeline can make editing faster, reduce confusion, and help you stay focused on the parts of the project that matter most. So if you need to remove a layer in DaVinci Resolve, simply go to your timeline, find the track, right-click it, and choose Delete Track. Clean, quick, and easy.